Arrive in style with this 2006 Chrysler Point Cruiser Touring. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: privacy glass, light, max cargo capacity, 63 QFT, external temperature display, variable intermittent front wipers, split rear bench, manufacturer 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration time, seconds, 9.0 seconds, power remote passenger mirror adjustment, power remote driver mirror adjustment, and strut front suspension. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.